Hi everyone, today let's cover how to find angles in polygons. This is an essential topic in geometry and the question is taken from 2025 exam paper. Before we move on to geometry exam question, let's first check what's the property of angles. Let's first draw the straight line to check what's the angles on a straight line. So we divide into two sections, into A and B. Then the sum of A and B is 180. This is the angles on a straight line, so try to remember that one. Now let's draw an isosceles triangle. We need to remember that two lengths are equal while two base angles are equal too. So try to remember those basic angle properties to apply it in the exam questions. So here's today's question from 2025 exam paper. We know that CDE is a straight line and ABCD is a quadrilateral while AFB is an isosceles triangle. So let's find for x and y. Before we move on to x and y value, why don't we use a straight line to find the angle D first? So using the angles on a straight line, 104 plus D equals to 180. So D value is 76 degrees. We're going to use this angle D to find the angle X. For ABCD polygon, we're going to use the sum of angles of quadrilateral, which is 360, to find the X angle. So we can form an equation into X plus 76 degrees, which is the D angle, plus 70, plus 130 equals to 360 degrees. Now we just have to solve for X. So x plus 276 degrees equals to 360. So x equals to 84 degrees. Now let's check the isosceles triangle AFB. We know that the base angles are equal. So we can mark that F angle and B part is equal. Then t plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Then 2y is equal to 150 degrees, therefore y value equals to 75 degrees. So these are the answers for today's question. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.